Alright, this morning, got a delivery to make. Going to pick up a load of 1-inch limestone. Picking it up in Weatherford, taking it all the way over to North Richland Hills. We're on our way to get loaded now. Alright, we're pulling up to Clear Fork Materials, where we're going to be picking up 1-inch limestone. So as the loader moves out of our way, we'll pull up onto the scale. Hopefully he don't back up. Up on the scale, they'll get our empty weight. And we'll head back to where the 1-inch is at. Alright, we've got our weight. I need to get 6 yards of the 1-inch. Okay. I want to say that should be a 1-yard bucket. Thank you, sir. Go back down here, go back across the scale. Go inside and take care of it. Sign some papers. green light. All right, get covered up and we're good to go. Be on the busy side today, so it's a good thing. All right, I'll send them an ETA and we'll be on our way.
Continue straight to stay on I-20 frontage road. Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
All right, we're fixing to be pulling up on our address. Figure out where I'm going here. Yes, that was it. Go right on past it. Oh, yes, I remember this place. Talk to the customer, see what we're doing. Morning.
Good morning. Sorry, I'm on a work call in there. All that dead. Is there any way we can get it in that dead spot right there? Over here?
Well, that's where I've dumped before, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, I can.
That'd be awesome.
I'll get turned around and back it up in there.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have Joel come out and we'll give you your check.
What's that?
Joel, my husband, will come out and we'll give you your check.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right, sounds pretty simple. All right, I'll go down here and get turned around. We'll back it in. We'll put it right next to that big old tree. I've been here before and I've had to jump the curb and put a load of material right there before. Thing about jumping the curb with this trailer and the weight, I'll definitely leave my mark in the yard. So they're aware of that. not leaving my mark in this yard at all. Nice, dry, hard packed. Let's see. Pull forward a little bit. Actually, move the trailer over some. Say that ought to work. How's it going?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Been a minute.
Been a while.
No.
I like this walkway.
Yeah,
Thank
we
you.
put it in around the beginning of the year.
I like that.
Yeah, we thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Hey, it looked like a lot of work.
It's been a lot.
This part looks a little bit easier. That looks like.
Yeah, I know. We're excited about more of that Jenny, the little green round leaves keep growing out more that way.
Right. Yeah, that'll blend in there real
Fill it
good.
all in. Exactly. I get this thing effect here. We're kind of covered.
Oh, you're bringing this over here?
No,
Oh,
we're gonna
okay.
take all that stuff. We got
You say. Then I was gonna be like, wow, wish I wouldn't have pushed it back so far. But that's
Perfect.
It'll clean up some too. Kind of got like a powder or whatever on it. But once it rains on it and stuff, yep, it'll clean up real good. I was worried about leaving rust in the yard, but your yard's hard to rock.
It is,
I didn't leave a mark.
I think at this point we built up. I think we had a small. I feel like we just kept building up.
Oh, it's backed in, which is good.
Yeah. No kidding.
At least I'm not the one that can rut it.
Yeah.
Usually,
No. Hey, you. No.
usually this thing, especially if I got to do any turning, it just rips the yard up. I guess it's been a little while since we've had some rain too.
It had
Well, I'll let y'all get back to
All
work.
right, sounds good.
Thank you,
too,
sir.
man. Take care. Thanks again.
That went well. He's happy, happy, happy. Get out of his yard. Get going down the road. Look for our next delivery. Thanks for watching.